find it frustrating when I see people online searching for ways to get Microsoft Office for free or trying to bypass licensing. It's unnecessary. There are completely free alternatives that offer nearly identical functionality to Microsoft Office without the need for license keys or activation. So sit tight, because I'm about to introduce you to one of the best free Office platforms out there. The first platform is Free Office. Free Office provides the three most commonly used Microsoft Office tools: PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, completely free of charge. It includes a wide range of features similar to Microsoft Office, and its user interface is almost identical. This makes the transition seamless for new users coming from Microsoft Office, allowing you to get started right away without a steep learning curve. It also includes a spreadsheet application just like Microsoft Excel, featuring a similar interface that makes it easy for former Excel users to navigate. In fact, it even offers some advanced features that enhance productivity. Additionally, it comes with a presentation tool comparable to Microsoft PowerPoint, perfect for creating slides and delivering impactful presentations. The second platform is called Polaris Office. Just like Free Office, it offers a powerful alternative to Microsoft Office, with a slightly different interface but nearly identical features. Polaris Office provides 4 essential tools, similar to Microsoft Office. Its word processor looks sleek and modern, packed with advanced features including a free AI writer to boost your productivity. It also includes a robust spreadsheet tool for managing data and much more. So, friends, there's really no need to waste time searching for cracked Microsoft Office versions or license keys that don't work. Polaris Office is completely free and ready to use, no activation needed. To get started, simply click the link in the description, download the software, and enjoy full Office functionality without struggle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.